house. Don't know if we're gonna get front row.
Who's playing this shit?
Did you request it?
No.
You seem to know
got
it.
here. I just walked in.
Might have called in, you never know.
Yeah.
Huh?
Separate tickets.
Is it bear in the woods?
For the rest of the day.
I'm just gonna do an order of corn nuggets, not it.
Are you guys 21? No?
Do I look 21?
So I can't buy you drinks?
Unfortunately not.
Trying to get ready to.
Are you 21?
I encourage the alcoholics.
I think she's 20. She's 21.
Hey, it's her birthday today, actually.
Yeah, boom, there you
Your
go.
birthday? I'll buy you a drink. Well, I can't buy him Bud Light. I can't.
No, you don't.
Type music?
Get up on the bar and dance a little bit.
More like square dancing. But what I should tell you guys is join the military, go get f***ed up, and then you get paid for the rest of your life. For now. Excited? I'm excited. Yeah. Like fishing? Yeah.
Like fishing around here? Like for like walleye or anything?
And catfish and
Bass?
yeah.
Like bass fishing? There's some guy in town that makes baits. Makes some really good baits.
Get older so I can buy you alcohol.
Can't wish all the days away. Do I look 21?
Yeah.
She said I look like I was 12.
You got facial hair. You got the sideburns going.
Oh yeah.
You're good.
Yeah, he's got a mustache too. We're good.
He's giving like comic book Wolverine vibes right now.
Otherwise, I'd be buying you all the alcohol right now. That's what I do. I buy everyone alcohol. What?
Just make it yourself.
Oh no. I should. That'd be a fun hobby.
In your bathtub.
Yeah. Oh, okay. But in the Marine Corps, I went to Thailand. And yes, there's definitely lady boys out there.
And you never got with one?
No.
Really? Never even like...
Dabbled around with it.
Nope. Never did.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Or were you just too drunk?
The one person. I have to be really.
What was that?
How was the experience, Byron?
Well, we're gonna go there and play some pool. The wife's been moaning and complaining about, oh, you've been spending too much time at the bar playing pool. Well, did play pool tonight, but... Live action? What did you consider?
My collar's blue and my neck is red. I've been working like
We're going for 135 here. Iowa Angler Outdoors. Here we go. Get it! Get it! Just hit the button.
Go flat, come on. Press,
Get it!
press, press.
You are so close. All right, got work tomorrow. We're doing 9 plates, easy reps. Well, got our bench press out of the way. Cue the cinematic bicep.
I am the destroyer of all things. All will fall. You will not prevail. I will show you revenge.
Where's the gym? That way. That way. Get the hell away. Oh my god, okay. If you can't tell, this video is a little bit of a goof. Yeah. I do not promote anything illegal in this video. Fun fact, my whole friend group, including this Bubba right here, we don't drink, we don't vape, we don't do nothing other than chase dreams and succeed in life. I don't know. Honestly, I don't really I feel like going to bars often, you just don't, there's no progression there. Obviously going there every once in a while to you know, shoot some pool, have a little fun is fine, but I don't know if offering underage kids drinks is the move. I'm not trying to point out anyone in this video, but you can put two and two together. And like and subscribe for the social embarrassment I go through filming that. Pretty brutal. Alright, Jace is dropped off now, and but seriously guys, I don't know. This is just figured out. It'd just be better if I went and goofed off and been a teenager than try and go camping for the 58th time that you guys have already seen. And I'm not a divorced dad. I'm not a dad, luckily. Not married yet. But maybe in a decade you guys will see this stuff. So hopefully you guys are around to see that. I'll maybe make a video on it. I'm not sure. I don't know. We'll see where life goes. Never know. I could be dead in 10 years. It's the reality of it. The main idea was to go to the bar and shoot up some pool. As you guys can tell, they had pool league that night, so I think the footage is still pretty golden though. And to all the people that are on my age, I advise you not to get into drinking or doing any zins or all that stuff. There's no progression in it other than a good feeling that it only lasts for so long. Get high off life and get drunk off life, man. Go climb a mountain. That rush is way more intense than any source of alcohol or other things that you might put in your body. But we're at the camp spot for the night. Yep. Go camping. That's a good rush. I don't know. I enjoy it. Outfit's looking pretty solid. Whew. Get that diesel heater running. I don't know what the point of this video is, honestly. I think it was just meant to be a goof. And I hope you guys got some good laughs. Because I sure did. Ouch. This is at a spot I've never stayed at before, so, and it's pretty public. So I'm hoping no one comes back here. First day of track was today. Pretty solid, man. Went to state bowling. Unfortunately, none of my teammates qualified for bracket play, but bowling scores are getting outrageous. You had to shoot 700, which is an average of 233.333334 a game to even make top 8. But it was still a fun time. Had the best state hotel experience, I think, of my career. So we went out with a bang. It was fun. Been thinking a lot about like upcoming plans. Going out west again here soon. Got some really good videos planned with my family. Some senior trips with the boys. And I'm overall just putting life together for after high school. Yes, guys, if you are new here, I am in high school. I know. I look pretty dang old, but as soon as I get home tomorrow, this is all coming off because I said this in the last video. I said that the chicks dig it. That might be a false statement. I think the guys like it more than the girls, but whatever. As much headache as this was to put this diesel heater in here, I'd say it's 110% worth it. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Like the goals I want to achieve and stuff, like just... Oh my gosh, man. Me and my buddies have been talking about this so much lately. Like, you will succeed in anything you put your time into, and like, just the whole bar scene is just like, to me personally, it just doesn't get you very far, man. Like, I'm sure you create great memories, which is like basically what's all this channel is about, is like making great memories and stuff. Like, I understand that aspect, but dude, oh my gosh, it just looks like such a big waste of time. Like, I feel like a lot of drama starts from that. I've heard about a lot of drama that has started from the bar scene. So you guys probably won't catch me in a lot of bars in this channel, so maybe when I go to new places though, I don't know. That's the good part about it. But going to the same bar every time, same old, I feel like we just get super old. And like I said, I'm not really into all that stuff. I like doing this, making accomplishments in my life, getting that kind of dopamine hit, other than trying to drink away my problems or whatever. I don't know. Hopefully I'm not offending anyone by saying all this stuff, because that's not my main intent. My main intent is just to basically say that do what you want, have fun doing it, but also make sure you're progressing towards the goals you have. We're shacked up in the truck camper, looking fly. Yeah, viewer discretion is advised, but I hope you guys are liking this video. It's probably a little different, probably a little more naughty language, naughty stuff happened in this video, but I don't know. I feel like it should be left in because it's just the reality of what happens. So I think I'm going to end it here for the night. I'm going to see you guys in the morning. This is the life of a divorced dad living out of his truck. Somewhat clickbait, but that's the best idea I had for this week's video. Good night, brother. Oh, gotta get to work. God. I switched in the shorts and then I was freezing my tail off, dude. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, so much hair. I got some stuff to show you guys, so. Hello, kitties. Here we go. Hopefully I don't get any of the hair. That's the moneymaker right there. Well, not a divorced dad anymore. I'm just a little sissy boy that does YouTube videos. Well, it was a fun run with the chops and stash. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little goof of a video. I don't know. Maybe there might be some more skits. I'm not sure. But make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Check out byronspacecom if you want to go boost your aura. And catch you guys on the flip, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you around the channel. Peace. I was just kidding, I forgot. I gotta show you guys this. If you stayed this far in the video, you're a real one. Make sure to drop a comment that says that you're a real one. First off, new guitar. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'd see that, so if you're not, go follow me on Instagram. But I've been exploring into the songwriting world. And also this is a little tune I've made up with some pretty basic chords. I don't know. I feel like I'm going to start adding music to my videos that I make. And then, yeah, I've added a bucket list item to my life goals. And it's to get up on stage and play in front of people one day. I got all the time in the world to do it. So, yeah, I might start working on some music. I'm not sure. Everyone gets into music, but I'm never going to put out a song that I don't like really put my heart and soul into. But songs are very vulnerable, I feel like. But I feel like this world needs vulnerability right now, just because of everything. I feel like we need some real music back. I'm not saying there's no real artists right now, because there definitely is, but we need songs to make you feel something, man. So maybe Byron's Bates is coming for a music career. Because I've spent quite the pennies on the guitars, so might as well make it worth it. It's already worth it because I can play some beautiful tunes and make people happy, which I'll throw up a little clip right now of State Bowling. YouTube, do not copyright this.
We're having an all-night revival. We'll save our survival.
So yeah, music brings people all together, and I think I might give a shot at it, because why not? We only live once, so. But for real, explore until poor, and I'll see you guys next one. Thanks for watching all the way. Peace.